Hello, welcome back to our channel. My name is Esther. Today I will show you how to process Garri from start to finish. How to process fermented Garri Ijebu, the real one, the one that is good for your health, the one that is good for business, the one that is good for you to eat at home. You can do it at home, you can make it for business. So let's go. First of all, you get your cassava, you get your sieving. You can see that everywhere is dark, so we are unable to peel it that evening. Make sure that your cassava is fresh. So we are unable to peel it that evening. So early in the morning, we started peeling it. So after peeling it, you cut it into, maybe don't let it be too small and don't let it be too big. The one that is small among the cassava, just leave it like that. Leave that one, don't cut that one. The one that is big,
yes,
they are the one that you will cut. Don't let it be too small. If you are cutting it, you can cut it into two. It depends on how bigger it is. So after peeling it, then you wash it. You go for washing. You wash it very well so that you will not see sound in your Garri. After you process everything, make sure that you wash it very well. Even you can see that I'm washing it with sponge. So you wash it. Then after washing it, you pack it. Then the next thing is go for grinding. You go and grind it. If you don't have the grinder, you can go to the mill. They will grind it for you, and you will pay. So you grind it. After grinding it, the next thing is you put it. You pour the grounded cassava into a sack. You put into a sack. So then you now tie it. Then that's that one is the fermentation processing. You're trying to pack. You tie it and put it in a safe place where rats cannot touch. Where don't put it on in a main floor. Put it in a well clean place. Then tie it and put it there. That's the fermentation section. So for 3 days, you can make it for 3 days. It's okay. Even some people 4 days. So it's okay. It's fermented. So you now take it to the jack to go and to jack it to remove the water. You know it still have water, so you have to remove the water to make it half dry. So you remove the water from the jack. If you don't have jack, you can tie it and do it by yourself. Tie the mouth and squeeze it very well. Then it will come out. You put it inside a silver sack. Then you tie it and you'll be doing it small. It will take a time. So after jacking, you bring out the water, the excess water. The next thing is to fry. So we are moving closer to the final process. So the final process is frying. Then if you fry it, let it dry very well. Let it fry it to dry very well in a low fire. Don't let the fire to be too much for it, not so that it will not get burned. So that's all for Ijebu Garri. So if you learn anything or you have any question, you can put it through to us. That's all. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more tips like this, for more farm tips and food processing tips. Thank you. Bye bye.